Let's solve today's question. This is the day 1 of 100 days LeetCode challenge. Square of a sorted array. Given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, return an array of the squares of each number sorted in non-decreasing order. Whenever you read a question, if you don't understand anything from it, just skip it. Go to the example. Input nums equals to -4, -1, 0, 3, 10. And go to the question, find keywords like non-decreasing order, square of each number. You can get something in your mind like this is an array which is in non-decreasing order, and you should return the square of each number. This is the square of each number which is getting sorted. You can understand the intuition from it. So let us try to build a brute force method for understanding it better, for which we need to consider a loop first. A loop in which it is going to square the elements in it and then iterate it, and after that it is going to return the sorted array. So for that we will do return sorted. Simple. Return sorted of a list of I. We are going to square it for I in nums. That's it. This is going to square the every element inside the nums and return the sorted array. That's what it does. Accepted. But this is not the most efficient solution for this question, because it has a time complexity of big O of log n, which is not that efficient. So let us consider the another example, like nums is -4, -1, 0, 3 and 10. Let us consider this thing as a list, and list with -4 at the 0th index and 10 at the last index, which is going to be n-1th index. So let us take s at the starting point as 0, then end as the ending point, which is going to be len of what? Nums -1. And then we will take a empty list which we're going to store the values. For that we will take a result as an empty list. You can take anything, and we are going to iterate every single element and check the conditions. For that we will use while statement. While s is less than or equals to e. Now we will consider the if statements, like if the absolute value of what? Nums of what? The starting index. If this is greater than the absolute value of nums of the ending index, the absolute value of nums of the ending index, if this happens, then what we need to do, we just need to insert the elements into the result. So for that we need to do result dot insert. We are going to insert every single thing at the 0th index, so we will do it as 0, comma, what are we going to insert? The nums of yes, starting index. In the question it is given as we should return the nums of square of each number, so we will just square it as per the question and then iterate it over and over. So s until the loop ends, s plus equals to 1. Then we'll go to else statement. Else is also same, result dot insert. Where are we going to insert it? We are obviously going to insert it at the 0th index, so 0, comma, nums of what? The ending index, and we are going to square it. Done. take good care of the brackets, and then we are going to do this. Minus equals to 1. Simple. Then just return the result. Return what? The result. The squared array of the list. This is what the question is. Simple. Return the square of a sorted array. Thank you for watching.